Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Fahira Rizqy Fatikha. You can call me Fahira. I'm from 11 MIPA 1, number absent 11. In today's video, I will to tell you how about operates a washing machine. So, let's go.
Material used is clothes, detergent, and water. And tool used is washing machine.
Just go to the step. First, insert the power plug in the socket until it has electricity. Second, open the cap of washing machine tube. And then put the cloths in a washing machine. And add detergent. Next, close the cap of washing machine. Then turn on the tap so that it's filled with water. Next, press the power button, water level, set the time, process, mode, and start. The washing machine will adjust the water and mix it with detergent automatically and wait for 45 minutes. After waiting for 55 minutes, put the wet cloth in the bucket for drying. Finally, the cloth is ready for drying in the sun. So, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.